Okay, you guys don't like slots. I get it. I had to try it. I saw Vegas Matt and NG slot go together, and I thought it would be pretty fun. I get the whole slot thing, but not my speed. That being said, we got Brendan O'Brien up on deck. Looks like he's at MSC, Magnifica cruise ship. I know they do a little bit different. I've got some comments about that too. But let's hop into it. You guys go over to his channel, give him a like, subscribe. Let's hop into it. And like always, let's have some fun.
We have 1,600 here on the MSC Magnifica.
1,600.
What we're working with here. So these are the black $100 chips. We have 1,000 here. We have a stack of the $25 kiwis right there. That's 500 bucks.
We got
and
pumpkins,
then we have a
kiwis.
stack of the $5, I call them like the cherries or whatever. Yeah, right there.
Looks
So
like
there's a
chips
stack
got
of those.
names
Let's
now.
go ahead and show the payout for the dream pairs. Same suit of aces, 50 to 1. We have the $5 chips mainly for that. We're going to start with 2 boxes with 5 on the thingy there. Appreciate you being here. We'll give you about, oh, okay, so we got 25 to 1 there. And so that's going to pay 125. We do about 12-minute videos so that you can get on with some really awesome things that you have planned for your day. So appreciate you watching the whole video and subscribing and liking the video if you can.
Yeah, go over to Brendan O'Brien's channel, give him a like, subscribe. Love
Nice.
his content.
All right. That's a great way to start the video. That is a great way to start. We're going to go ahead and stack up 100.
I'm getting seasick though.
Nice.
The seasick wiggle
Love
is
it.
killing me. 16, 14.
And just like that, we have.
And yes, I am feeling a little more energetic today. Yesterday
Water.
was not. I just was not feeling. I wasn't feeling it.
Oh, we got one. Okay, never mind.
I was
Good
close.
stuff.
But that's 21.
200 on one hand.
Yeah, this is going to be a
15
short session,
on
guys.
the pairs.
So
Who am I?
should be about
15 on the pairs.
13 minutes.
Stay there. What time is it? 7? All right,
So-
let's play 300.
So the interesting thing about him
15 on the
asking the
pairs.
time, and I could be wrong. I usually and most likely
9
am.
on a 3. We are doubling. All right, everything all right?
But on a cruise ship, there's always something going on.
There we go. 19.
Nice. 13,
Nice.
17,
Okay,
nice.
good. We needed that. Nice, nice.
There's always like a scheduled time for dinner. Dinner's usually like at 6.
Keep it at 3 with a 15.
You know, they have like a
Pair,
midnight
10.
buffet. They've got,
Well, we
ooh.
got, what, 75
But there's
bucks?
always something going on and they have times for it. Even like,
We have
I think there's like
$300 on that.
a young adult club that you can join or hang out in. And they've got some cool activities that you could do.
You know what? Not terrible.
Not a lot of
Ended up
people like
losing just
cruises.
a little.
I get it.
That could have been a lot worse.
But I enjoy them.
You hear that a lot in gambling. Could have been a lot worse. I lost, but I'm gonna make myself feel better by saying could have been a lot worse.
That's a good point. He is valid in this.
Here we go.
Ooh, we're doing eucalyptus today.
Keep it the same. 10 on the bet, on the side bet there. 20 should be good. Oops.
Oh,
300. Here we go with another double D. Yes. There we go. Thank you.
he's doing pretty good.
You do a side bet. There we go.
$14,
Yes. 17 is good.
$17.
All right, we're gonna do something crazy here. There we go. We're gonna do. All right, we're gonna play 100 on every square, and then we're gonna do a nickel on all of the siders here. There we go. So 7 boxes. Looking for pairs here.
Wow.
Okay,
Oh, you got
so we
one.
125 on the pairs, on the 4s. Nice.
Smart move. Not a lot of face cards out there. He's got to be
Very
careful.
good. Let me go.
He's in a
put my
great
hairy
position
arm
with
away
that too.
there. Okay, now on the 7, we're gonna hit
17.
Stay.
I'd be
Stay on the
doubling a
16,
lot of
stay on the
these.
14, stay on the 16, stay on the 15. And this is just a hit on the 4s. Yep, hit 10, 20, and
Nice.
17 we're going to stay.
Well, I just
You
meant
got
the
here.
one. Don't judge me.
2 showing.
9,
12.
12.
Too many.
Wow.
Holy crap, nice one. Big win there. Now, if you're going to come play on an MSC ship, you can only play 2 boxes. You have to have special permission to do all of the boxes. And we do it not only here, but we also do it in Las Vegas. So you do have to get permission before you do that. But I can tell you they're only going to let you play 2 boxes. Vegas or on any ship as well. So give me a second. We're going to zoom back in here. Back to our... There we
Do
go.
you guys
200.
know
That
the
was
reason
awesome.
why they do that?
That was awesome. 25 on the pair. Yeah, that's fine.
It's because you can be
okay.
an
We're good.
advantage
All
player.
good.
Ooh, there we go. That's a
We have
double.
a double D. Uh-oh.
That's a poop card. She cannot flip that thing to save her life. 14,
Oh my
too many.
gosh, how? What a match.
But casinos won't do
great.
that
I'm just
because
gonna
of the
put one more
advantage
side
player
bet, $5,
having
that's it.
control over some of the
No more side bets. We're out
displacement of
side
the
bet
cards and the
business.
bets.
That's okay. It was bound to happen. We'll just rebet at 300.
And
17 is good.
that's another reason why they want you to have the same exact bet. And it needs to be a high bet, too.
17 is good.
14, 18.
300 2 hands. And we're going to do a side bet of 25, the maximum here on the side bet for pairs.
That's some trickery. That's some trickery.
All right, we need some luck here.
I don't
Yeah,
believe in it.
sample.
Yo, this girl's got some problems with the flip.
Yeah. Nice. All right, that was huge. We're gonna rebet this with 25.
Did I
on the pair.
assume-
I just have a feeling something's gonna
I
pop
did.
up here and be
I did.
surprising. 22.
It could be by the feminine
Oh,
hands.
almost.
I could be wrong.
All right, we got this one locked in for sure. We're gonna hit the 12. All right, no problem.
just messing-
18
I'm just
and we're
messing
good.
with you
We'll
guys.
rebet that. Yeah, we're good there.
I think it's a dude, actually. I'm just having fun.
All right, 17. So
Don't
we'll
hate me.
rebet.
Don't cancel me.
We'll do 25, 25.
Oh, did you guys?
We'll bet 300.
Did you guys see that roast?
I don't think the pairs.
The roast of Tom Brady. Oh my
think the pairs- we're
God.
gonna stay
Katie,
over
I think it was
to
Katie
13.
Killer. I forget her name. It should be Killer.
Yeah,
Oh my
pretty
gosh.
good, huh?
It was one of the best. One of the best roasts.
18, yeah. Okay, we'll go 200 on one. No ciders. No insurance. No, we're good. Yep,
It is
stay.
a lady, by the way. I was right. 16. Too
Next
many.
one. Speaking of ciders, what is your favorite side? That's such a stupid question, but like when you order a meal, what is your favorite side item? I go with the classic French fries. Okay, another $200 win. All right. Hey, we're not going to touch that stack of green right there. So,
It's got
Alright,
the it's got the
17.
good juju. 13, 17. It is an
17,
entity.
you gotta hit?
Yeah, I hit it.
uh-oh.
12? What was
Uh-oh.
that? Too many? 13.
We're
It was
gonna rebet.
13.
200. Stay, yeah.
Ugh.
Okay, 100 and we'll put 25 on the cider. Last cider. Oh, God. Oh, 200 here. No thanks. You got it again?
Yes.
All right, we'll go to 400. Our profit is disappearing. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Okay. So I have. Before we go into this, I want to show you. This is how much we started with. We have 1,600, and that's how much I have here. We have 800 in play, so this could get very interesting here. We're staying there.
Nice move.
Oh God, let's hit it.
Got
All
it.
right, all
I
right,
love
that coulda
this. I
saved me.
love this. Come on. 5,
Yep.
15.
It saved me. The 5 saved me. 5 saved me. Okay, so
Brilliant
now
move.
we know that.
Brilliant
We know
move,
that.
you guys.
So this is what we have this is what we started with.
Let's dissect that really quick. And I'm going to, I think that's something that we can do that's a little important. Is I think I'm going to start breaking down some of these hands. I think that'll be better. So we got the 7, right?
We're
and
staying
then
there.
and then after we had that 7, which gives us a 14, or I'm sorry, 7 plus a 6 is a 14, right? 7, no, 13. All right, what's the next card? Okay, so we've got a 12 against a 2. Now, I believe the book says to hit.
Oh, God, let's hit it.
But I think this was a great move because, once again, we've got a lot of numbers. We just got a face card. And a 50-50 chance that we're going to get either a face card or a number card. But the thing that we do have to think about is the likelihood of them having a face card under that.
Hit it.
2.
All right. That could have saved me. Yep. It saved me. The 5 saved me. 5 saved me.
That was a
Okay,
very,
so now we're up
very good
16.
move.
We know that. So this is what we have this is what we started with. All right. Good hand. Very dangerous. We'll stay on the 17. Stay.
That's a great session.
All right, we'll go 300 here.
And I like how he's keeping his bet consistent. I like how he's not bringing it back or putting in more. I like the consistent bet.
We're good. Yeah. Uh-oh. All right, we can't give this all back. Stay there, hit the 15. Okay,
Nice.
We got one. We can just rebet that.
Again, this is why when things aren't working after 2 or 3 hands, we move to a second hand.
Okay.
And look, you guys,
Worst
this
case,
is great
150
prime
to 3-2
example. If
blackjack.
things aren't working after 2 or
Good on
3
the
hands
20.
on a single-handed blackjack,
Yeah.
if we can move to 2 hands,
Oof.
this is why. And that's
We're
okay.
200, but we're gonna use
That's
this
okay.
$25 for side bet.
But look at now, he's going back to 1.
Pairs.
Let's see if that helps out. Let's see, 2,
there.
stay. Let's see the dealer bus. 10. Nice.
Okay,
Like,
we're gonna rebet.
this is how we can get a little bit of an advantage over the house, is by switching things up. And
Big double
again,
here,
why they don't
400
want
total.
you to do
One
2
card.
hands or 3 hands or 4 hands
All right, 15.
because of because of that problem.
Nice. Very good. Very good session here. We're gonna leave it at 2.
Mm-hmm. Ooh,
Splitsky.
definite split. This is a great run.
Okay.
Big one.
Oof.
Nah, bust 9,
14.
14,
19, yeah,
19.
disaster.
Nah.
Play a couple more here. Couple more 200s. 18. Stay. Okay.
Nice.
Got lucky there.
Press it.
Same.
No.
Okay.
8, 16. Oh, 20. Push.
Stay. Oh. Let's go 300. We'll take one. We'll
15.
take another one. Yeesh.
Ugh.
Let's see if I would have doubled that. It didn't matter. Oh, we'll do a $500 hand. This last
Let's
hand,
do
win
it.
or lose.
Let's do it.
Last hand, win or lose. Oh God, no. No insurance.
No.
It's okay. You know what? Terrible ending.
That
But
was
when
a
we
terrible
counted up
ending.
Here, we started with 16. We have 1, 2, 3, 4,
He's
5.
got to be up to
We have
2,000,
1,000.
maybe
We
a
have
couple
15.
$100.
We have 16 right here, so we did make 600.
Oh, $600?
And you know what? That is not too shabby. We'll take this over to another session, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.
What a great session. And I think there were some learning moments in there. And one is to obviously switch up the cards when things are working after 2 or 3 hands. The second thing, I like what he said at the end. Yeah, it was a bad ending, and he's up $600. But again, could go do a different table, a different shoe. But there comes a point of how much do we want to win? And it's good to have our numbers set of what we want to win and what we are able to lose. And that keeps us on track and gives us a little bit of a mindset to be able to keep control of what we're doing while we're gambling. Because, you know, if you have drinks or you have other things involved, you got some social interaction going on, we're really not paying attention, and we really do. And if you watch, you know, I always mention Dana White, but if you watch like Mr. Handpay, he's very focused, and whenever there's like some distractions, he takes his focus off the table, pays attention to the distraction, but doesn't play and talk to the distraction. So good tips. That being said, you guys, Brendan O'Brien, go give him a like, subscribe. Great small little session. We'll start the day off, and I think I'm going to pump out 3 videos today because yesterday, wasn't feeling it too much. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.